Charlie Sullivan here, or CharlesHole22, and I'm doing an unboxing for you guys today. I'm not sure what this parcel is. I've ordered a load of stuff recently, so let's get it open and find out. Get the box open. Amazon puts so much rubbish in their shipping. Right, let's see what it is. All of this paper for one thing. Okay guys, so I don't know if you can see what this is, but this is for my server case. It's a power distribution unit, and what that means, if you don't know what that is, it's basically just an extension plug, extension cable, but it's rack mountable. It's got all these plugs that so you can power the server and everything else that's in there. So that's one of the many unboxings in this video as part of my server update. Right, so today I got two more packages. I'm not sure what's in them. I have opened them up, but I haven't looked inside. I've just opened them, so it's a bit more easier to do this video. So let's start with this little package here and see what's inside of there. Let's grab this. Right, so this, as you can probably see, is a PC remote. So you put this as a USB powered receiver, so you put this in the computer and then you can use a remote control it, turn it on and off and stuff. So I'm going to use this for the server so I can turn it on and blah blah blah. Also I want to be using my server as like a media server, so obviously means I can scroll through without having to have a wireless keyboard or mouse. So that's the first item, and then the second one is much larger. What's in here? This is actually a shelf to go inside the server cabinet. It's only 1U. For those of you who don't know what that is, basically server units, how tall they are is measured in a thing called U. I don't know why, don't even know what it stands for, but it's 1U, so which means it's the smallest. And I'm just going to be using it to hold my Raspberry Pis and things like that on there. So yeah, I'll see you in the next lot of these videos. So today should be the final installment of these unboxing videos, which I'm putting all together as part of my server update video. They might actually be in 2 bits. I might put the unboxing on as one and then the follow up on another. I'm not too sure yet, but anyway, let's get stuck into this box from Amazon, because I've made a load of orders and I'm not sure if they put them all in one or whether this is just one order by itself, in which case I'll have to make a few more videos first. So let's get into here. So basically the plan is to get my server rack have like all the equipment inside of it ready, and then the actual server computer that I bought isn't quite ready to be used as a server yet, but I can still use the rest of the stuff in the rack for obviously networking and stuff. But yeah, let's see what's in here. Get it open. Okay, let's have a look. So again, loads of tissue paper. Thanks Amazon for that. Right, so what do we have first? Well, first we have not one, not even 2 or 3, but 10 Ethernet cables here, multicoloured Ethernet cables. They're Cat5e cables. There you go, 10 colours, and 100 cable ties come with them. And the cable ties are multicoloured as well. So that's pretty cool. Next, this is my sister's birthday present. Hopefully she won't see this video before her birthday, but yeah, she's going to be 4 and she loved My Little Pony and Play-Doh, so why not get both? My Little Pony Play-Doh. And the final item in this box is the one that I've been looking forward to most. It's my new TP-Link gigabit switch. So it's plug and play, energy saving, 1,000 megabits per second, which is a gigabyte per second, hence it being a gigabit switch. So this will be used obviously to provide internet to all of my devices. There you go. Typical network setup there. Some other stuff there. So I'm going to install this in the rack and some other stuff, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, so now I've finally finished putting all of these products into my server rack. It's taken me a while to complete this video. I mean, I've had all the stuff for ages, but just haven't finished filming it. So I'm just going to do a quick kind of tour of what's in the rack now and kind of say what my thoughts are of how to move on from here. So you can see the power distribution unit going along the top here, and that's turned on. So it's powering my all the other stuff in here. So we've got the TP-Link gigabit switch, which has got some of the multicolored cables on it, which are running to. So this is where the Ethernet's coming in from the router. That's going out to the server, which is down there, and these two are going to the Raspberry Pis. Here we have a firewall, which a friend gave to me. That was very nice of him. So, but that still needs to be set up with licenses and stuff, and it's quite a long setup process, and I can't be bothered. This is a shelf, the shelf that I got. So obviously everything's just sitting on there. This hasn't got any brackets with it, and it hasn't actually got slots for the brackets. So I think I'm gonna have to get another shelf here and in the future to put that on by itself to clear this up a bit, make it look a bit nicer. You've got the Raspberry Pi 2 at the back here, and the Raspberry Pi B Plus here, and they're both being powered off of this USB hub. I think I might have done an unboxing of that before. And then here we've got the remote that's sitting in there, and that's the receiver for the remote, which is currently connected to one of the Raspberry Pi servers, I think. And then this is my server that I bought, which is sitting on rail, like the rails, to keep it up there. This isn't working. It's a really old server. These hard drives have got Windows XP on them from a really old machine, and the actual motherboard inside the server has IDE cables rather than SATA ports. So I'm actually planning on doing a new PC build, and obviously that will be put onto my channel. So I'm making a new PC for my daily use, and then my current PC at the moment will then be put into a Mac mountable case. I'm going to get a new one that's 4U tall, and so that will become my server PC. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It's taken quite a while to make. If you did, please like down below, and if you haven't already, subscribe. I've got a new video coming out, hopefully at some point this week, something that I'm very excited about, so look out for that. Thank you for watching. I've been Charlie Sullivan or Charles22, and I'll see you in the next video.